a story for Spanish beginners.
Una cena en el restaurante Paco.
Don't forget to subscribe to enhance your Spanish language skills.
Hoy es lunes y Juan está en la ciudad de Madrid. Está de visita y quiere probar la famosa comida española. En la noche, Juan va a un famoso restaurante que se llama el Restaurante Paco. Al entrar, Juan ve al camarero y le dice: «Hola. Quiero una mesa para uno, por favor». El camarero sonríe y le muestra una mesa. «Gracias», dice Juan y se sienta en la mesa. Juan mira el menú. Hay muchas comidas y bebidas diferentes. Finalmente, Juan decide. Llama al camarero y dice: «Quiero una paella y una copa de vino tinto, por favor». El camarero anota el pedido de Juan y dice: «Muy bien. Su paella y su vino tinto llegarán pronto». Mientras espera su comida, Juan mira a su alrededor. El restaurante está lleno de gente y todos parecen disfrutar de su comida. Pronto, el camarero trae la paella de Juan y su vino tinto. «Gracias», dice Juan. Prueba la paella y el vino. Son muy deliciosos. Está muy feliz con su elección. Después de cenar, Juan pide el postre. «Quiero un flan, por favor», dice al camarero. Cuando el camarero trae el flan, Juan lo prueba y sonríe. Le encanta. Al final de la cena, Juan pide la cuenta. «La cuenta, por favor», dice al camarero. El camarero trae la cuenta y Juan paga. «Gracias, la comida fue muy deliciosa», dice y se va del restaurante. Ese fue el primer día de Juan en Madrid y está muy satisfecho. Ha aprendido a pedir comida y bebida en un restaurito. Está listo para el próximo día de su viaje. ¿Cuál es tu plato favorito? Déjanos saber en los comentarios.
What's your favorite dish? Let us know in the comments. Now some important words.
Lunes.
Monday,
Ciudad.
city,
Comida.
food,
Restaurante.
restaurant,
Camarero.
waiter,
Mesa.
table,
Menú.
menu,
Bebidas.
drinks,
Vino tinto.
red wine,
Pedido.
order,
Gente.
people,
Postre.
dessert,
Cuenta.
bill.
Bien hecho.
Now the story in English. Today is Monday and Juan is in the city of Madrid. He is visiting and wants to try the famous Spanish food. In the evening, Juan goes to a famous restaurant called El Restaurante Paco. Upon entering, Juan sees the waiter and says, "Hello. I would like a table for one, please." The waiter smiles and shows him a table. "Thank you," says Juan, and he sits at the table. Juan looks at the menu. There are many different foods and drinks. Finally, Juan decides. He calls the waiter over and says, "I would like paella and a glass of red wine, please." The waiter writes down Juan's order and says, "Very well. Your paella and red wine will arrive soon." While waiting for his food, Juan looks around. The restaurant is full of people and everyone seems to be enjoying their food. Soon, the waiter brings Juan's paella and his red wine. "Thank you," says Juan. He tries the paella and the wine. They are very delicious. He is very happy with his choice. After dinner, Juan orders dessert. "I would like flan, please," he tells the waiter. When the waiter brings the flan, Juan tries it and smiles. He loves it. At the end of the dinner, Juan asks for the bill. "The bill, please," he says to the waiter. The waiter brings the bill and Juan pays. "Thank you, the food was very delicious," he says and leaves the restaurant. That was Juan's first day in Madrid and he is very satisfied. He has learned to order food and drink at a restaurant. He is ready for the next day of his trip. As we wrap up this exciting learning session, a big thank you for joining us at Lingua Stories. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn Spanish, feel free to subscribe and turn on the notifications to stay tuned for all our fascinating language adventures. Until the next lesson.
Gracias y hasta la próxima vez.